You can use the echo command in Linux to display the value of xdg current desktop variable in the terminal. Open the terminal and type this command. While this command quickly tells you which desktop environment is being used, it doesn't give any other information. One way to get the desktop environment information in Linux is by using a tool like neofetch. In Ubuntu-based distributions, you can install neofetch by enabling Universe repository first. Install neofetch by using this command. Once installed, simply type neofetch in the terminal. As you can see in the screen, my Ubuntu Linux is using GNOME 48.0. You can also check the Linux kernel version and other details here. Almost all desktop environments provide basic system details in their Settings About section. So, search for Settings in the menu. As you can see, it shows that my system is using GNOME 48.